Hey friends, so I have a treat for you today. I'm going to actually upload a video that one of my coworkers made. Stephanie is a great friend and she watches a lot of my videos, so she knows all of my quirks about everything that I do in the plant world. And anyways, our office does this really fun thing. It's called like Office Olympics. Think of the movie or the TV show The Office. And we do these fun things every week, and there's a competition amongst us, and we vote to see who's the winner. And sometimes it's like beer pong but without the beer, like throwing things, paper airplane competitions. And then this week what we did was like impressions. So we don't have a winner yet, but Stephanie definitely wins in my book. So what she did is she made a short video pretending to be me. So she did an Angela impression and did a houseplant tour of, well, I guess it's her office plant tour. Anyways, here it is. Enjoy. And if you feel so inclined, I would love for you to make a spoof video, do an impression of me giving a houseplant tour, and find all of my quirks and bring them to life and make me laugh and cry out of happiness. So enjoy this wonderful thing. Thank you, Stephanie, for making this. I appreciate you and every moment that you've done with this.
Hi guys, it's Angela here, and I'm just going to share a little bitty plant tour of my office with you today. And for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be as bad at plants as Stephanie is. So let's get started. First plant we have today is some kind of succulent aloe. And as you know, I'm no good at succulents, but it's really important to not overwater them and also not underwater them, because both will kill them. And it's hard to know how much. So as you can see with this one, I'm slowly killing this one, probably from underwatering, because all of these bits are crispy. So I'll probably water that one. This one is the spider plant that Angela gave me. Oh, I gave myself, haha, because I'm Angela. When my spider plant had a bunch of little babies. And again, it's really important not to overwater or underwater them. And the best way that you can tell if you need water is if it starts dying. You see these little tips here? I probably need to water this one, but it's hard to say. You know who's the best at spider plants in this office? It's Maggie. Next up on my office plant tour is my Zanzibar aloe, which I managed for a very short amount of time to be doing the right thing, because it has a little pup right there. Can you see it? It's still alive, but all of the little edges are crispy, and so I might be overwatering it or underwatering it. It's hard to know. I recently, back at my other home, being my Angela here, not an office plant tour person, managed to kill 6 plants in a week and a half. So I'm really good at plants. And finally, for this little bitty tour, I want to share this lily turf plant with you, which I've managed to cut off the dead bits when I'm killing it. I don't think I'm killing it right now, but sometimes it stands up like this and sometimes it's doing that. And to quote David, one day he said, "That's just grass, right?" And I said, "Yeah, it's just grass, so I can keep grass alive." Thanks so much for taking this tour with me today of the plants that I've managed to not kill in my office. I hope that you remember not to overwater your plants and to give them plenty of sunshine. All right, bye.